As you can see, this is where a lot of people park their cars, and then they cross over onto the path by there and walk down to the heights. Right, make your way onto the path and follow this path all the way down to the first height. It's where we walk from the cars parked there on the right hand side and down round through the gate. Round the gate. Carry on walking down this path. Over on the left you've got Open Reach Depot. Just keep walking on down here. Down to the gate down the bottom. Keep your out on the right hand side on the river. Don't know what you're seeing there. And the trees around you. Path to the left leads up the canal. We're going straight ahead to the gate and to the heights. Just by the gate. A nice little robin on the right hand side. Through the gate. Just as you've gone through the gate, there's your gate on the left hand side to take you to the first bird height. First bird hide, kingfisher perches there. Try to hide you.